So after a long weekend of work, we have a new engine bay. And we have our big block back in.
Don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself.
Well, what do you say we get thrown out of an Applebee's?
Yeah!
That's much too early. Prepare to fast forward. Preparing to fast forward.
So we have some things to tidy up. Not too much, but I think we're on pretty close to the home stretch.
Very nice.
So guys, as you can see, we got a lot done this weekend. We got our engine bay repainted in a little bit better color match than what we had before, and we got the big block back in. We got our new wiring harness all tidied up, and got our brake lines reran, our new master cylinder, which is a correct manual brake master cylinder, and just a lot more done. We are getting close, finally on the home stretch to where we can put the hood on for good and just finish the rest of the stuff that we need to do to this car so it can get out of here in the spring and the wife can start driving it again. So we do have some transmission things to wrap up. I did not like the manual valve body that was in it, as my wife has gotten accustomed to driving my Super Coupe on odd occasions with a reverse manual valve body. So I am going to have the transmission taken back out, and I'm going to put a different stall converter in it and a new valve body that will be a reverse manual valve body with the low band apply, so we will have engine braking in first gear.
1,200 horsepower.
I've been switching over to those just for the fact that I never liked not having engine braking in first gear and just relying on that sprag for first gear, and I'm just trying to get away from that. So well, we haven't decided if I'm going to get from CRT, Cope, or whatever it's called, or from another person, manufacturer. But home stretch, and it's January now. So I'm glad to be on the home stretch with it being January, so we can get this one done. I would like it personally all done by the end of January. That's my goal. That's what I'm aiming for. I have nothing more to do to the car by the end of January, and then I can get back on the blue 43 behind me and finishing up what little bit needs to be done on that and getting that one 100% done. Because we got a Super Coupe to work on.
I don't believe it. It's that shitbox Dodge again.
And that needs to be done before spring, because we got autocross and road racing to do. So
If you ain't first, you're last. You know?
yeah, I want the blue 43 there. I want the Super Coupe there. I want family fun action times 10. So I'm going to get out of here. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching. This is a short little update for the week. But as you can see, we got a lot done. And look forward to more to come, because we're always doing something. So this is Dutch Guy's Garage. And always remember, they don't move until you do.